Hello everyone. Today I'm doing a walkthrough of the Hack the Box challenge, HackyBird. In this challenge, we're pretty much just tasked with beating the game. One of the first things I did is I opened Cheat Engine and I wanted to find the actual value or the memory address of the score value of this game. So what I did was I had this value of 1 in here and I waited till I got a point and I scanned for it. Oops. 1, right, scan, and now I'm going to scan for 0, and then now I'm going to scan for 1 again. Okay, so it's most likely this one. It's up to like 5, right? I'm going to lock it, and you can see that our score is set to 5. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find out what functions write to this memory address. So if you right click it and then do find what writes to this address, you'll have this little debugger. And if we go back in, we can see that there's one call there. And then if we go under these tubes, you can see that there's another call. So when we restart the game, this first call here is done to essentially reset the score. If we actually replace this code with a NOP, or a no operation call, and we go over, you can see our score's 1, and then our score's still 1. So we're dying, and it's no longer resetting our score. So we're at 3 now, and we can keep going, right? So we can also see that that it's increasing this memory address here. So it's increasing ESI plus this offset of 94. And if you actually add this memory address plus 94, you do get this address down here. So it's saying, hey, increase the value of this memory address by 1. So let's load this memory location up in Ghidra and take a closer look at what this program actually is doing. So if we copy this address here, open Ghidra, and then if you type the G command, or just type G, you can paste this memory address in and actually go to it. And if you look at it, you can see the same thing we were kind of seeing before. You can assume this param1 was that ESI variable we saw earlier, and you can see this 94 offset. So anytime we see this, we can essentially think, okay, this is like our Flappy character or our player class, and at the offset 94 is our score. So you can see here that there's another offset of 20, and this is a different type of variable to that class, right? So we have this if statement here that's checking it against the value 999. So maybe if we have a score greater than 999, we will beat the game. So let's set it to 999. And there we go. There's the key for the challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed. I thought this was a really fun CTF. If there's anything you guys want me to take a look at, please let me know.